In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a chatbot using Dialogflow, from creating your agent to seamlessly handling user conversations. So, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to open up the Dialogflow console. Once you're there, go ahead and create a new agent. This will be the base of your chatbot. You'll be prompted to name your agent, so pick something that's both unique and indicative of its purpose. It's a good practice to reflect its function. Don't forget to choose the appropriate language and time zone for your desired audience. This will ensure your bot communicates effectively with its users in the right locale. You'll also need to either link an existing project or create a new one. This is crucial for managing your bot's development and deployment through Google Cloud. Once your agent is up and running, you'll head over to the Intents section. Here you can start by editing the default intents provided, or better yet, create new ones tailored to the specific goals your chatbot needs to tackle. Intents are basically the objectives or actions that users will express to your bot, so make sure they're aligned with your bot's purpose. For each of these intents, you'll want to add training phrases. These are essentially examples of what users might say. Think of it as feeding your bot a diverse range of possible expressions so it can learn to understand and respond accurately. Additionally, you'll define how your bot should respond to these phrases. The clearer and more varied your training data, the better your bot will perform. Sometimes, your bot will need to pull specific information from the conversation, such as a date, a name, or an item. In these cases, you'll need to add parameters. Choose the relevant entity type and set up prompts to ensure your bot gets the necessary information if it's crucial for the conversation. If your conversation flow involves multiple steps, Dialogflow's context feature is your best friend. By setting an output context in one intent and an input context in the next, you can maintain coherence in your conversation, allowing your bot to remember where it left off. For more complex operations, like calling external APIs or performing back-end logic, enabling fulfillment is key. This allows your bot to handle more sophisticated tasks when a particular intent is triggered, expanding its capabilities beyond simple text responses. Now, to ensure everything is working smoothly, you'll use the simulator inside Dialogflow. This handy tool lets you test your bot by entering phrases that should match your intents. Test for missing information, and make sure to evaluate how your bot handles multi-step conversations. Finally, refine your bot by checking for unmatched phrases, improving your training data, adjusting responses, and continuously testing until you're satisfied with the accuracy of its replies. And that's it. You've successfully built a functioning chatbot in Dialogflow. By mastering intents, parameters, and contexts, your bot is now capable of managing meaningful, dynamic conversations. In our next video, we will explore how to deploy your bot on a website or a messaging app. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.